Let's talk about 9 money making secrets your bank don't want you to know. Mind you guys, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. These are just side hustles based on my personal experience, right? Don't take this as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. You can just watch this video for entertainment purposes. See me for the first time, you'll come to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I talk about different side hustle ideas I can start right here in Nigeria, just smartphone. And if you want to get more updates from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. And please, if you have not joined my community, click on that join button now and join my community, guys. Support the channel, support the community. Just click on that join button. Thank you very much if you've done that. I really appreciate you. So as you can see on my screen, that's 7,000 naira, and one of these money making side hustles actually gave me this particular 7,000 naira, and I'm going to show you the one that gave me the 7,000 naira in this particular video. So you have to calm down. For you to get any value from this video, you just have to watch the video from the beginning to the end. Banks are businesses, and what are their products? Money. So the product of a bank is actually money. So the work of a bank is to get more customers to keep their money in their banks. They can invest with your money. They can even borrow your money out and still collect more profit or more interest from that your money. So they don't want you to take the money out of their bank. 9 money making side hustles that your bank don't want you to know. And if you can tap into these side hustles, you can also start earning extra cash. Side hustle number 1: create a virtual dollar card. Well, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you why I want you to do that. We have Gray right here. We have Payday. Payday can also help you to create a virtual dollar card. We have apps like Cheaper Cash. We have apps like Clever can also help you to create a virtual dollar card. You can check out the video I made about different Nigerian apps or different apps in Nigeria that can help you to create a free dollar account or a dollar account or a US account right here in Nigeria. So do well to check out that video. So after you finish creating the dollar card, what next? The next thing is for you to fund your dollar card with naira. Now, after you finish funding your dollar card with naira, use that your dollar virtual card, go on platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, and Udemy. Purchase product. It can be digital products, it can be normal products like gadgets, accessories, and different products. You buy them there on a cheaper price with your virtual dollar card. Once they deliver the products to you, you can resell this product and you actually make more money for yourself. In the comment section, make sure you rate each of these particular ideas and the one you are going to try after this particular video. Now, number 2, you have to do bank transfer arbitrage. You know, some of these fintech apps and mobile money apps, they offer bonuses when you use their app to do transfer. So step 1, go to your normal bank app, transfer money from your bank to these fintech apps. Step 2, you can pay bills, you can shop online, you can buy things, and you can even do transfer and get some cash back. For example, platform like OPay actually offer you cash back for you doing 1 or 2 tasks on their app. They offer a lot of cash back for that. So you can actually do this and earn extra cash for yourself with this particular method. Now, the third idea on my list today is for you to use virtual accounts for freelancing. Those of you that have online skills that can work for foreign clients, or for those of you that want to have online skills and working for foreign clients so that you can receive payment. Now, one of the most important things is for you to have a virtual dollar account. Is very important. Most foreign clients always like paying to your dollar account, and most people don't have. So like I said earlier, I made a video on different apps that can help you to create a dollar account. Do well to check that. Once you create an account with these particular apps right here, you go on Upwork, you go on Fiverr, you go on different freelance platforms. I've mentioned a lot of them. Once you receive payment, convert it to naira and make profit. If you went and opened a domiciliary account from your bank, because me, for example, I have a UBA dollar account, I have a GT Bank dollar account. So if you open a GT Bank dollar account or a UBA dollar account, if you have money there and you want to convert it to naira, they are going to give you at bank rate around 950 naira. But if you use all these virtual dollar account from all these online apps, they sell it directly to black market rate. $1 is actually 1,550 on black market, and bank rate is 950, which means you're making over 500 naira profit per dollar, right? So if your client paid you around $100, right, you have earned extra 50k. You understand? So it's actually better to use this virtual account than for you to have a domiciliary account from your bank directly. So this is another money making secret your bank don't want you to know. Number 4 on my list right here is refer people to bank apps. Yeah, a lot of online banking apps like OPay, PalmPay, Kuda, MoneyPoint, like a lot of them actually have a referral program that you can actually refer your friends to use these particular apps, and they actually reward you. A lot of these online banking apps, right, they have this particular opportunity, and this is something your bank don't have because your bank is already popular. This is a method I use and collected this 7,000 naira. I use a platform called Optimus by a Freelancing. I shared it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my friends. They use the app to do their business and they benefited from the app, and in turn I actually got a commission for me referring them on this platform. So you can sign up on different affiliate programs from all these fintech apps. They offer this particular opportunity. Banks buy your dollar for around 950 naira or less. So instead of saving your money in naira, why not save your money in dollar? Buy dollar and keep, right? When it actually fluctuates, you can resell it. So Optimus by Freelancing actually offer this particular feature where you can buy dollar and keep, and you can resell it when dollar actually goes up. If you use this app here called Gray also offer this feature. A lot of apps, even Clever too, you can buy dollar, you convert your naira to dollar, you just keep it there. You keep converting. If you have 5k, you convert. You have 10k, you convert. You have 20k, the thing just stay there. Once the market fluctuates, dollar keeps going up, you sell it and you make a profit. This is another thing your banks don't want you to know. The next one right here on my list is for you to buy government bond or you buy treasury bills right here. If you keep your money in your bank for 30 days without touching it, your bank will give you a little profit or a little commission or a little interest, right? I don't know if you've actually noticed that. Instead of you waiting for them to give you 5%, you can actually boycott them and buy all these things by yourself. Carrywise can help you do that. I've been using Carrywise recently. I talked about it in my previous video. Chaka can help you do that. Another one is a free vest, and invest in them and collect directly instead of you waiting for your bank to do it and bring you 5%. Invest in the US stock market, right? This is another thing your bank don't want you to know. Truth can help you. RiseVest can help you. Bamboo can help you. Register an account with these platforms. You fund your wallet with naira. You invest into the stock market. Some of these companies offer what we call dividends, so you can do it every 3 months. Use these apps, register, sign up, fund your account, buy stocks from top companies, and you get your dividends, or you just buy them and keep. When it actually fluctuates, you sell them and you collect your profit. Instead of keeping your money in a savings account, why not just lend it out, right? You can lend out your money. I know BOP, I know PalmPay. How you want to take borrow money? You can sign up on platforms like Fint. We have platforms here like Corium. We have platforms here like Branch. These are platforms that actually collect money from you, lend it out to other people, and when they collect interest from those people, they also share the interest with you. It's very simple. Buy digital assets. Banks don't want you to buy digital assets, right? Because they know that with digital assets, you're going to have control over your money. And how can you buy cryptocurrency? All what you have to do, you can actually sign up on platforms like Bybit, BitGet. Telegram has a wallet. Bybit also has an option where you can stake your money. Even BitGet too, they have an option where you can stake your digital asset. Profits keep on coming from the amount of money you have actually staked on this platform. And the funny part is that it's actually safe. Tell me which of them you have been using already, right? And rate each of them in the comment section over 10, right? Guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.